feel like falling in love. Falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm having something I need some drink in my cup. Drink it up, hey. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday today, and I was thinking what perfect day it is to like give myself like a whole maintenance. I don't know, it's something about Sunday make you just want to like pamper and treat yourself. So I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly what I do on like a at-home maintenance type of day. So if this is something that you'd like to see, please be sure to keep on watching. I've already like set up my stuff to do my nails. First thing I'm gonna be starting out with. So this is what my current nails are looking like. I have one broken here. I did do these myself. These that I have on are like Biab. So I'm gonna like take these off and then I'm gonna redo them. And I'm also gonna be doing my toes as well. So I'm gonna be showing you everything throughout this vlog. Also for all the products that I use in this video, they will be linked down below in the description. So if there's anything that you're interested in, if I can find it, please check down in the description. It will be there. So first, I'm gonna start by taking off the outer layer of my nail, and I'm gonna be using this. This is like a drill that I got from Amazon. It's such a really good drill. I have it for a while now, and it's pretty much like it has like quite a few settings. Like hear that, and I just use one of the lowest ones. Sometimes I skip between 3 and 6. The last time I did soak these off as well, but I think I'm just gonna take the polish off because it's Biab that I want to like redo. I'm gonna like take the top layer off, and then the Biab that I can use on some of these, I'm just gonna let it stay basically. I'm done taking off like the outer layer of the polish. What I'm gonna do is probably like file them. I'm gonna use like this one just to kind of like file, especially like down here a bit flat, because like I said, I'm not gonna take the Biab off. I'm just gonna like add parts where it want and had like a thin layer on top, just so it's like easier for me. Just gonna go in and explain what I'm doing a little bit more, just so if you guys want to like do it for yourself, you can understand the process. You're welcome. So I'm just gonna file my nails just to kind of like shape them a little bit. Once I'm done, I'm going to use this Sally Hansen cuticle remover just to kind of like soften my cuticles and help to like remove all of the dead skin around my cuticles just so they can look really nice. And then I'm going to use like this wooden stick. I'm not too sure what the proper name of it is, and I'm just gonna push down my cuticles, then clean them out with that cuticle clipper. Once I'm done, I'm gonna go in and use this Biab gel. Everything will be linked down below, and I really do love this Biab gel. It's like really thick, and I'm just gonna use it to put over my nails. So normally I'll go in with a primer and a dehydrator before, but I completely forgot that I have them on my table to basically use. So I went straight in with the Biab, so I'm just gonna apply that to my nail. So how I apply it is, because the gel is so thick, I kind of like apply it down the part where it's already grown out and kind of like push it up in like a circular motion. You guys can see what I'm doing. I'll say definitely practice how to do this. Once that's done, I just put it underneath the dryer to dry a little bit. Then I'm going to take off the top layer because it's quite shiny. You can go ahead and just apply like a top coat on top if you want the color to stay, but I'm going to apply a different color on top. So I'm removing the shiny bit with my drill, and then this is the color that I'm going to be using. It's from Amelia. The color is 22. Really pretty color. It's like a natural color, and I'm just going to apply a thin layer on top of that. Once it's done, I'm going to put my hand again in the LED light and just let it dry for a few seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my top coat on top of it and kind of give my nails like a file. Really simple process. I'll definitely say give it a try. Like, my nails look so good, and practice to see how you can work with the Biab. But once you get it, it's like really good. So I'm done doing my nails. They came out super good. I'm about to like move on to my toes now, but I just want to show you what the nails are looking like. I still need to like grease my hands and stuff, but this is what they're looking like. I think they came out so cute, and the color is really lovely. The thing that I love about this Biab gel is it makes my fingernails so much thicker than they are, because I have like really thin fingernails. That's why I like take off the acrylic, because I really need to give them a break. But this polish makes me feel like I have acrylic on, but I don't have acrylic on. It's just like my natural finger, and the color is really pretty as well. They came out so good. This is what they are looking like, and on top of it I've added this pink color. This is 22 by Amelie. I'm gonna leave everything linked down below, but this is what the bottle is looking like, and then the shade that I use on top of my nails, it's like a light pink, really like a natural color. I love like natural colors like this. It just makes my finger look, you know, nice and clean, especially when they're like growing out. You can't really tell because of the color that it is. I'm gonna like put the same color on my feet. I'm gonna go ahead and do my feet now, and I'm gonna also use the Biab on my toes as well.
To tell it, she said she fed up. I'm like whatever, when she mad the sex better. I put the diamond on your face, Rockefeller. I put the meat in you and now we eat together. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need.
I am done doing my nails and my toes now, and I think they came out so good, and I love the color that I choose as well. I'm going to show you guys my toes, what they're looking like. This is what these are looking like. It's a bit overexposed. 1 second. So this is what my toes are looking like, and my nails pretty much like the same color. And yeah, I'm happy with how they came out. I'm about to like hop in the shower now because I just really need to take a shower, and I'm gonna like show you guys some of the body care products that I use.
You're the only girl I need.
Just finished with my body care. I'm gonna jump straight into giving myself a nice little facial now. I'm going to be shaving my face, but before I go in and do all of that, I'm going to be washing my face first just to make sure it's nice and cleansed, and then I'm gonna go in with like a steam. So to wash my face, I'm gonna go in with this cleanser from You to the People. It's their kale and green tea spinach vitamins cleanser. Nice and cleanse. I'm gonna just go straight in with doing my face steam. After that, I'm gonna do like a mask. Let me see what face mask I can use. I have quite a few. I think I want something to kind of like give me like a deep cleanse. Maybe we can go in with 2 masks. We'll do one before and then one after we shave. We're gonna do that because this one is kind of like a glow mask. Yeah, this one is kind of like a glow mask, so we're gonna do that one after. And then before, I'm just gonna use my Kiehl's, I think. I'm gonna use this one, and then after we're gonna use this. So this is my face steamer that I use. I think I kind of like broke the top, so I'm literally just gonna like stuck it on here and hope for the best.
You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. I'ma take the stars out of the sky for you. There's nothing in this world that I wouldn't do.
My face is done steaming. What I like to do is, because my face is so wet when I'm finished steaming it, I like to let the face mask dry, like dry down, because that's when it starts to like pull things out, and then I'm gonna like wash it off. I've washed the mask off my face. I'm just gonna like dry it a little bit. I'm gonna like get ready to shave my face as well. My face gets so hairy, it's ridiculous. So I have to like shave my face, especially like down here. Sometimes you find like some random hair. So I'm like, girl, where did you come from? So I just have to like shave it. I got like my shavers from Amazon. I use like a new one each time, and this is what these are looking like. They're kind of like the eyebrow shavers. They work for me. I'm guessing this is what most people use on here as well. So it works. It's like, why not type of thing. So I'm going to use that to shave my face. My face is a bit, because I just washed my face, it doesn't really have like much slip to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some vitamin C just to kind of give me that slip. So then I can go into shave my face. I'm going to apply like a few pumps. What comes off my face. I'm gonna like apply a face mask. So I'm gonna like wash my face with water just to kind of like wet it a little bit, and then I'm gonna be applying this House of Dawa. It's like a Korean skincare brand, and it's their pumpkin wash off mask. And this kind of like so let me just read the description. This is a natural pumpkin wash off facial mask that nourishes and rejuvenates your skin with locally sourced Korean pumpkin extract for a healthy glowing complexion. So this is the one that I'm going to be using just to kind of like give me that extra glow. I've wet my face. I'm gonna like go in and apply my face mask now. I used this face mask before and it's a really good mask. Just gonna apply like that much and just put it all over my face. I'm gonna let this face mask dry on my face for maybe around 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna like wash it off. So I've washed the mask off my face. My face feels so good. Like literally when you shave your face, it just makes everything like so smooth. And then even when you apply makeup as well, it make the makeup application just so nice. And that glow that you get, oh my gosh, like unreal. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my skincare. I'm gonna be applying this toner from House of Dawa. Is their rice brine toner. Normally I'll go in with my Ren AHA, but because I shaved my face, I'm not gonna be doing that because it's a bit too harsh, I think. I'm going to go in with something a little bit more subtle just to kind of like tone my face so I can get in with the rest of my skincare. Also, I'm not going to be showing the whole skincare routine on this video because I do have a video of my nighttime and my morning skincare routine. So if that's something that you guys want to see, you can go ahead and check that video. I'll leave it linked in the cards and I'll also leave it linked below in the description box as well. Guys, look at this. You've seen how much time I wash my face. I've done mask, I've washed it off, and then this is what comes off my skin. That's why I always just love to make sure that I tone my face because it just get that extra dirt off. Because imagine if I didn't tone and then I just went straight in with the skincare, then this is what I will be applying skincare to basically. Okay, so that is my skincare done. My skin is literally glowing and I'm not even in the sun for it to be showing as much, but look how much I'm glowing, like from my body to my face, and I'm just loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp. I'm not gonna be taking my braids out today. My braids are due to come out maybe next week or the week after, and then I'm gonna be getting them done. You know what, I'm either gonna be getting them done or I'm gonna have to do them myself because I'm waiting for an appointment to become free. And if it's not free from the person who I want to get my hair done from, then we're gonna be doing our hair ourselves. I don't know how I feel about that. I can do it myself, but it's just the time. But if I do it myself, I'm gonna like to vlog it for you guys so you can see how I'll do it, and I'll be saving a whopping 200 pounds. So if that's the case, then I will film and show you guys how I'll do it basically. But I'm gonna just go in and oil my scalp.
drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into you.
I'm going to like do my edges. I'm going to wash my edges brush. That is much better. To wash it, I literally just wash it in some water and then use like a paper towel and just dry it a little bit, and it's like good as new. And I'm gonna use this to do my edges. Oops. All-time fave to do my edges is the gummy wax. No, it just holds the edges down. Everything else, not so much. So I love using this. So that is my edges done. My scalp oil. My hair looks so like brand new. There's nothing a little bit of edges can't fix. So that is pretty much my self-care slash maintenance routine. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm pretty much gonna like chill for the rest of the day. It can't be self-care day without at least having a little bit of me time, so I'm gonna do just that. And to do that, I'm just gonna like read a little bit. I've really been enjoying this book that I've been reading. It's called November 9 by Colleen Hoover. Like, I love a Colleen Hoover book, so this is the one that I'm reading. So I'm just gonna chill a little bit, do some reading, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Bye.